Yeah, hello guys. I got another unboxing. This is something that was sent to me, and we're gonna open it up, and I'm gonna show you some of the features of it. Here it is. Do this so you can see it. There it is. It's the Osmo Action 3, made by Dji. We're going to open it up, see what comes in the box, and let's get on with it. Get the old knife. We're going to cut the plastic first. I get it cut here. There we go. You can see from the box, it's got nice graphics, as always. Nice packaging. Okay, we get the plastic off it, and we just gotta look for. We got a seal here. We're gonna cut. And let's see what happens here. There it is. Okay, you ready? Here it is. Let's go through here and see what we got. First of all, everybody knows what this stuff basically is. Let's see here. We'll open it up. We'll open this up and go through all this stuff here and get it out. Okay. This out of the way for a second. Let's see what we got here. We got the DJI knob. These are your mounts for the camera. And yes, it does share the same features as the Action 2 does. There's your little release clips right there, and it is magnetic. This is your outer case. There's another knob for you. Right here, this is your outer case for it, which is set up to accommodate your magnetic mounts, obviously. They give you another, this is a gasket for your lens. Okay, so we got here. Here's your actual, well, there to give you 2 GoPro mounts for it. Kind of nice. Then we got a base here that you can stick to whatever. So they're making it so your GoPro stuff will work on it, which is kind of cool. And that's it. They're just a desiccant. Then we'll go to this. This is your battery pack. To check your batteries, we just punch a button. There it is. There's your battery packs. There's inside of it are 3 batteries. Right here. For it. Which is kind of cool. I guess GoPro copied this and released one of these as well. And over here. Here is your selfie stick, or to mount it on. Right here, it says DJI right on it. It extends to about 5 feet. Those in your country, you'll have to do the measurements, the conversion. Okay, we're getting down to the nitty gritty. Here's the camera. Right here, open her up. this off. Oh, there we go. Yep, there it is. There's your, what it looks like. Nice front screen. Back screen's pretty good sized. Here's the lens is removable, so that maybe down the line they'll have some ND filters for it. But let's see if I'm missing anything. And right here is your charge cable, or to transfer your videos from your camera if you want. Right here it is. It's USB-C to, I mean, yeah. Right there it is. That's how you charge. So, yeah, this is the Osmo Action 3 camera from DJI. They also give you, obviously, you get some instruction books that the average person cannot read without a magnifying glass. Different book here, and you can see how small the writing is. It's just terrible. So, but that's why they make YouTube. Then on your cover on the inside here, you can see they gave you a quick setup guide, how to set it up. I've already had DJI stuff, so I already got the Action 2 and I got the Osmo 1, so I know the basics of this stuff. But they give you a quick setup guide and how to use all the mounts, how to install the batteries, where to get your app, which I already got the app on my phone, and that. So it's a matter of just got to get it plugged in and charged up. Then then I'll go ahead and get it turned on and get it firmware update, because I'm assuming there's going to be one for it. So, but that was a quick unboxing of the DJI Osmo Action 3 camera. It is pretty comparable to the GoPro 11, so a little bit smaller, but it'll give it a run for its money. So everybody, thanks for coming in, and I hope you like it. Like this, my unboxing. There it is, Osmo Action 3, and I'm looking forward to using it here this summer, so this next summer. So I will catch you all in the next one, and goodbye and God bless.